Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My number matric is AA211294, and today I want to verify my lecturer question. So for lab activity 1, if as and nested if statement, just copy the following code. I already did. So for the question number 1, the purpose of the program. Purpose of the program is checks whether a user input value is equal to an initialized value. My expectation if user enters 45 is that you fail, and I will show you if that is correct or not. So this is my code. This is my coding, lab activity 1. So if we run the program, put the number of 45, I will say that if it, and that is my expectation is correct. And for C, my expectation is output if user enters 70 is that you pass, and I will try to insert the 70 number, and it will output it, display the you pass. So the same with my expectation. So that means my expectation is correct. So number 2 is compile and run the program. Tap a key when asked for input. What is printed on the screen. So I will put the key in this coding, and it will display you pass. Same with my answer right here. So question number 3, it asks for me to put 50 for input. So I will enter, and then it will display you fail. Then I am correct. So does the program do what you expect? Yes, because a number greater than 60 is entered, the result will read you pass, but if the value is less than 60, the output will read you fail. That's my conclusion for the number 4. So it asks here, type 60, and then it will come nothing after that. So we have to put something in the coding to make it display something. Does the program do what you expect? The answer is no. I thought it would be it would display the average thing, but no. If not, locate the error and fix it. So I already fixed it. So we go to, after that, we change the if average to to equal to 60, this one. So we try to run the program again, and then you put 60. Then you will see that you pass. So it reached my expectation. So modify the program so that you use an if-else statement rather than two if statement. Provide the fragment of modified code on. So this is my modified code. This one. So you put 60 in here and then you pass. Then we put 59, for example, then you play. So that the statement is correct. Modify program from instruction 7 to allow following categories of data. So for question number 7, I modified it to be like this. So I try to run the program. Input your bridge. So like question, if you try to run and we put the input like 90 and I got an A. We try to switch for to 80 and you got a B. And I put the input number 60 and you pass. So conclusion is the program is working because the code is correct and that's how you use it as if in this lab activity 1. So thank you, and I will continue to lab activity 2. So lab activity 2, the purpose of the program is this application show how to utilize the use of logical operators. So this is the coding that we have copied from the question, and I will run it. My expectation if a user enters 4 and 3.3 for year and GPA respectively, is time to graduate soon. Okay, we try to run it. Put 4 years and 3.3 for my GPA. It's time to graduate soon. So is correct. Is made with my expectation. So for this for C, expectation output if a user enters 2 and 1.9 for year and GPA respectively. My expectation is unit more schooling because it is under 2.0 GPA. So I will enter 2 year and 1.9 GPA. You need more schooling. So it meets my expectation right there. So for the third one, if a user enter 4 and 1.2 4-year and GPA. So I will put the 4-year and 1.2 GPA. You need more scoring because it is under 2.0 GPA. If it's more than 2.0, it will display it's time to graduate soon. So compile and run the program. Type 4-year 3.3. This is what we do earlier. Does the program do what you expect? For question number 5, yes. Because the program runs smoothly since the instructions were identical to what was expected. GPA greater than 2.0 will be displayed as it's time to graduate soon, but GPA less than 2.0 will be displayed as you need more schooling. This is what I said earlier. So for question number 9, for question number 6, I will change the program to have 4 without the thing. So what will happen if we try to run it? So we put like such as 4-year 3.3. It's time to graduate soon. If we put 2 years 1.9, you need more schooling. It's the same. Nothing that ever changed because that doesn't matter if you put it like this or like this. So does the program do what you expect? No, because I expect that it will change. The program cannot be run because a prime sign is required for the char command variable to work. If the software compile, it will not result in an error. As a result, instruction falls short of expectation. So that's why my expectation is not going to work. Okay. If for number 7, if you replace this one, so I made this. Okay. I already replaced the coding, and we try to see if this work or not. So what student are you? So for this table, we put 1 year, and for my GPA 1.2. You need more schooling. So for number 1 is correct. We try to number 2. What year are you? Year 1. And for my GPA 3.3. It is time to graduate soon. And to see it really works, I will take the last answer. What year student are you? 4. My GPA is 3.3. It is time to graduate soon. And it works for the coding like this. And that's it for lab activity 2. So for lab activity 3, I will continue for lab activity 3. So for lab activity 3, the purpose of the program is to display what grade did you earn in DAE 20103 computer programming. Expectation output if a user enters A. So my expectation is it will display the excellent. So my expectation after if output if a user enters F fail, but in the future. For question number 2, compile and run the program. Type A when asked for input. So I will input A. Excellent work. So it is work. It meets my expectation. So for question number 3, I try to put F. You did not enter and A, B, C, D, E, D, or E. Does the program do what you expect? For number 3 is no, but number 2 is yes. Because it makes the user know that the grade that the user get is good or bad. If not, because F for number 3 is no, because F is not declared in this program. So we continue for number 5. Remove the break statement from each of the cases which I already made. Okay, this one. So compile and run. Write what is printed on the screen. So I will try to run. So I will type A. It will it will show everything. B for good job, C etc. story. So this work. Yes. So the reason why is the program meet my expectation is the break in C++ is used to terminate the loop. So for lab activity 3, question 6, rewrite the program. I have already done that, so it will display the outcome same as the above one. So if you type in A, grade A, so it will come out excellent work, same as the previous one right here. So type A, excellent work. So that's it for lab activity 3. So we move on to lab activity 4. So the requirement specification is that insert coefficient A, B, and C. And number 2 is display the roots based on the discriminant. For the input, it will be insert coefficient A, B, and C. And the process will be the coding that we put in the program df C++ language. And the output is when you insert the input and the process, it will display the roots for the output. So number 3, question number 3, design the pseudocode for the solution. So this is the pseudocode, and this is for question number 4, flowchart of the solution. This is my drawing of flowchart. As you can see, integer A, integer B, integer C. So I declare it first, and the input and it will come out the output x1 equal to x2. So for the question number 5, I will put the coding into the program and I will run it. So if it's so I will compile it. For example, I will put A for number 1, 2, and 3. The question has no real roots. So I will try again. So we put a random number such as 80 for A, 20 for B, 40 for C. The equation has no real roots, so it is correct. So for question number 6, we compile and enter the following inputs. So for the number 1, I will put A 1, B equals to 2, C equals to 3. So the equation has no real roots. As you can see at the output, the question. So for the next one, 2 for 2. A equals to 2, B equals to 4, C equals to 2. Roots are real and same. x1 equals to x2 equals to -1. So we move on to the lastly question, the lastly input value. So for A, 3 equals to A equals to 3, 9 equals to B, 4 equals to C. So it will come out to a decimal point such as x1 equals to -0.54, x2 equals to -2.5. So that's it for our lab activity presentation. That's it for us. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.